Hi everyone, I'm starting the second class of physics in kinematics. Today we will see the equations. These are very important to solve the problems, okay? So V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. So what is U? U is the initial velocity, V is the final velocity, A means acceleration, S is the displacement. Okay? So to find out any of these terms, you can use these equations. T is the time taken or the time period. These are the equations. So we'll see how these equations came from and the derivations. Okay. So in the last physics class, we have seen the formula for acceleration. That is, A is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity by time. So from this, we will get this, okay? So V minus U is equal to A into T. If this U comes here, V is equal to AT plus U. Writing this as V is equal to U plus AT. So this is the derivation for this equation. So coming to the second equation, that is S is equal to UT plus half AT square. So considering this is the time from here, initial velocity traveling to here, taking it as final velocity. So first for this length into the height, S is equal to UT. Next, considering this as a triangle, UT plus half V minus U into the time taken. Okay, we know that A is equal to V minus U divided by T. So here is V minus U. Now, S is equal to UT plus half V minus U by T into T, because this will be get cancelled. So you can write this as like in this way. You can write this in this way into T, because this and this gets cancelled out. So you can write this like this, okay? Next, S is equal to UT plus half V minus U by T is A into T into T. That means S is equal to UT plus half A T square. So we got this equation in this way. Okay, the final equation is V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. So in the first formula, V is equal to U plus AT. Square it on both sides, like V square U plus AT whole square. So V square is equal to U plus AT whole square. That means A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. In the same way, U square plus 2UAT plus AT whole square. Like A plus B whole square, we have derived this. Next, V square minus U square is equal to, so what is the formula for S? For S it is UT plus half AT square. So taking this here like 2A, you will get UT here half AT square. Okay. Now V square minus U square is equal to 2A. UT plus half AT square is S. displacement. Since S is equal to ut plus half a t square. So v square minus u square is equal to 2as. With this derivation, we got this equation. So these three equations are very important to solve your problems, because if they have given the final initial acceleration, you can find out the displacement. So which terms are given in the problem and what to find out, you check these three equations and solve your problems. So the three important equations are v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So learn these three equations and try to solve your problems today. Okay, thank you.